Hi guys, today we are going to unbox MicroMix Mx400 from Behringer, and it's ultra low noise 4-channel line mixer. So this is how it is. As you see, this is ultra compact 4-channel line mixer, highest sonic quality even at maximum output level, input level control of each channel, and it has own volume knobs for each channel, and it comes with power adapter included, 3-year warranty program, and conceived and designed by Behringer Germany. Okay, this is all about, it's very small in size. You can see there's input channels and output as well DC in. So this is actually made in China, as you know, country of origin China. MicroMix 400, and it's actually priced 4,360, but I got it in a lightning deal for 2,600, something like that. So let's unboxing this thing. This has a pin up here, so let me take this off here. It's just a plastic case, So here is, I'm going to unbox this one. As you see it, this is the main mixer unit, which is we'll talk about it. Yes, it has some papers, and this is the adapter. You can see there. Here is the quick reference guide, how to use this one, and see how channels are included to the main mixer. Okay, this is nothing, and it has a adapter which is 9 volts. Yeah, you can see this one. Okay, this is premium quality, which has a good weight. As you see, it's made of metal, but these controls are a little bit plastic, and anyway, they are good. So this is the 12 input channel, this is the DC in 12 volts, and this is input 1 2 3 4, and then this is out. And believe me, this is not stereo, so you don't get confused. So don't get confused that this is stereo out. This is just actually mono out, like in normal mode. So this is 1 2 3 4 inputs, which you can put any instrument or a mic or anything, and it turns on when you just put the DC in here, and it lights it up here. I think I'll show you. And this is volume for each channel, as you know it, and that's it's very small and pocket. You can actually put this in the pocket. Okay, this is the power adapter, which is 12, and I'm going to put this in the outlet, which you probably can't see it. Yeah, and this is how it lights up. You can see how this bright red light. So that's it. You have your 4 channels input, and this is out, and this is MicroMix Mx400 from Behringer. Thank you.